Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a line chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a line chart on your Microsoft Excel on the web on your computer, just going to show. So first of all, you just need to select the data that you just need to create as a line chart. Then you just need to click on the insert option on the top. Then you just need to click on the line option in the chart options. So here, after clicking on the line option, you have totally 6 different type of theme that you can just make, like a line with markers or stock line with the markers and stock line like that. So you can just choose which theme that you just suit for your file. So after creating this, if you just want to change your theme, you just click here and you can just change whatever you just needed. And also, if you want to have a full format option, you will see on the top called axis. You can just change the axis, and also the grid lines are here, present here on the vertical or the horizontal primary lines. The chart title can be created as none or axis title, and also click on the format option for a more option on the sidebars. So here you can just turn off the chart titles, and also you can just change the legends if you just need it like this. And also you can see a detailed format options here on the below. If you want to change the color of the line, just click on the line option. Here you can choose the outline colors like yellow. You can just change and it automatically change, and just double click here and you can edit the text also. This is how you just create a line chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.